जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good morning to you all. My name is Adyasha Boy. I read in class 4A. Happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival of India. It is celebrated on 15 August every year. It is celebrated because India got independence from British on this day. India became an independent country on 15 August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day to remember our freedom fighters because they were the ones who struggled for our country and sacrificed their lives. Indian flag gets a salute from everyone. It is a very proud moment for our country. I hope this Independence Day brings you happiness and hope. I wish you all a safe and happy Independence Day celebration. Thank you, and once again, Happy Independence to you all.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. At first I would like to wish you all Happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August of every year. On 15th August 1947, our India got independence from British rule. On this day we remember our freedom fighters. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide to independence to India. We should work hard to build our country. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. We should respect our nation. Thank you.
दीदी हमें आजाद बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल। कदमों पे तेरी कोटि कोटि प्राण चल पड़े, फूलों की सेज छोड़ के दौड़े जवाहरलाल। दे दी हमें आजाद बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। Happy Independence Day. Myself Prakriti Panda. I am from class 4E. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Morning, respect principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all who are present here a very happy Independence Day. Today is a historian day in the history of our country. On this day, 15th August 1947, we got important for the British to true world and independent as a freedom-loving brave lesson. The freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of struggle of made by our forefathers and our great leaders, great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lakshmi Bai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, many others.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, one and all to present over here. My name is Elnasi Karsau. I am going to present a speech behalf on Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival over India. It is celebrated on 15 August every year. This year we will celebrate 75th Independence Day because of such as many struggles and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters of India. We are able to celebrate this day with glory. There is no state or union territory of India where people do not observe this day. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all my respective teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Namrita Purohit of class 4th St. John's School, Sambalpur. Today we have gathered through this virtual form of celebration of Independence Day due to pandemic situation created by coronavirus. However, the joy of Independence Day can't reduce by this virus, and we could able to gather here to celebrate the great national event. Due to our technological development in science, as we all know, Independence Day is a auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day for all of Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule. After many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India, we can't forget their sacrifices and dedication for the country. They are our ideal to be patriotic and which influence us to do something great. At last but not the least, let us work together for glory of the country. सबका साथ, सबका विकास. जय हिंद. भारत माता की जय. Stay home, stay safe.
Good morning to you all. My name is Adyarsha Bhoi. I read in class 4A.
A very warm good morning to respected father, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Bhavyashri Darshani Pari from class 4C. As today is 75th Independence Day of our country India. Independence Day of India about feelings of nationalism and brotherhood among the citizens of India. On this day, people of India pay tribute to the fallen war heroes and freedom fighters. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the flag from rampart of Red Fort, followed by the national anthem. It is one of the greatest festivals of Indian democracy. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Independence Day to all.
तेरी शान पे सदके कोई दम है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की जान बोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा
became independent on this day. We host national flag on this day. Everybody sings the national anthem. Independence Day is celebration of our freedom. The year we are celebrating our 75th in Independence Day. It is celebrated with full joy. Be proud to be Indians. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all.
Respect principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I, Miss Tanushree Meher, would like to speak a few more about this auspicious day. Today on 15th August, we are celebrating 74th Independence Day of our country. This is the day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. This is the day to remember the sacrifice of freedom fighters whose effort gave us independence. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. India got independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Since independence, our country has developed rapidly in the field of agriculture, education, manufacturing, science, sports, technology and many more. But India is also facing problems like terrorism, poverty, inequality, corruption, etc. Let us all pledge to do our best and overcome those problems. Let us all work together and make our country the best country of the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Janmurati Krishna from class 4E and I sing a song for Independence Day. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, थी खून से लथपथ पाया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, क्या लोग थे ये दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वे अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
Good morning to our respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Sulagna Behra, class 4 going to give Independence Day speech. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day 2021. Today we are celebrating independence on 75th, independence on 15th August 1947. We got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should celebrate, remember with a great leader like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. A peaceful life that we are living today just because of their sacrifices. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.
teachers and my dear friends. Myself Mohammad Hisham from class 4B. I am here to say a few words on the occasion of Independence Day. As we all know, Indians got freedom on 15th August 1947. Many great freedom fighters sacrificed their life for the freedom of our nation. The great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai and many more fought with the Britishers. The great heroes fought bravely and gave their life for us only. We are fortunate that we are born in independent India as a citizen and in the future of India. We should also contribute our part for the development of the nation. Come, let us pledge that we will pay respect to our
to our national heroes, national anthem, national flag, and above all our India. Jai Hind.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती हैं इसकी हजारों नदियां, गुलशन है इनके दम से, रश के जहां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। थैंक
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teacher, all my dear brother and sister. My name is Archana Munda. I study in class 4, section C. I am here present a speech on Independence Day. India celebrates its independence on 15 August. In it, India celebrate to remember the day we got freedom from the British in 1947. Many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, it's sacrificed the life from freedom from our country. We should remember the sacrifice of our leaders, the people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, Father, all teachers and my friends. The Independence Day in 14th August will become all years. Let's see our national symbols. Our national symbols unite us. All us sing the same national anthem. We host and salute the same national flag. The Tiranga 15 August will be India was freedom to English. Independence Day is celebrated in this happiness. The respect we share for our national symbols like the national flag and the national anthem strengthens our sense of unity. Let's see our national day will be celebrated. Our national day, namely Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti, are celebrated with great education by international. Our army protecting the borders of our country and our national flag. Then I salute our army teams. Thank you.
Morning to all respected principal, teacher and my dear friend. I am Sanji Jori from class 4, section 8. At the first, I would like to wish you all happy Independence Day. I am glad to be a part of this ceremony. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. On the Independence Day, we honor our nation. From the last year, we are celebrating the Independence Day in online form due to the Corona pandemic. On the Independence Day, we remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lokmanya Tilak and many more. As a result, after their struggle, India got independence in 15 August 1947. We are the largest democracy in the world. The unity in diversity is the specialty of India. The Pingal was the person who designed our national flag. The saffron color indicates the strength and courageous. The white color indicates the peace and truth with the Dharma Chakra, and the green color indicates the fertility and growth in the land. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
Good morning to the principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. Happy Independence Day. Today as 15 August, we all have gathered virtually here to celebrate Independence Day of our nation. Today is very important day to all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15 August 1947 from British, who ruled our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters live Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Many sacrifices their life. After independence, we got our freedom, actual rights. Today, we have right to choose our government, but we can't take this independence for granted. We all must contribute of the development of our country so that no country can imagine to rule and us again. Today we are celebrating 75th year of independence. I am very sad because due to COVID-19 pandemic we are unable to celebrate physically at our school. Thank you. Jai Hind.
My name is Pranati Rajans. I am reading class 4. Happy Independence Day.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी छंदे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम भी ये घर सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यारे बस तेरा प्यारी माँ तुझे सलाम तुझे सलाम
Thank you.
I, Akshika Puri from class 4D, is going to represent a dance on occasion of Independence Day.
पम 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 ये देश है वीर जवानों का बेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारो क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का कहना पम 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 मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून पाकिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून पाकिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
हर करम अपना करेंगे हर वतन तेरे लिए दिया है जान भी देंगे तेरे वतन
आजा आजा दिन शर्म यारों के तले आजा जली वाले नीले आसमान के तले चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा
Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anwar Krishna from class 4E.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के टले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के टले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची मन जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने धूपों से उड़ा दी गिल गिल तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
Jai Hind. Thank you. My respected father, teacher, and my dear friends. I Surmas from class 4B. Today I speak about Independence Day. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Often those words echo in our ear. We celebrate Independence Day in 15 August every year. Independence Day is India in a national holiday. It commemorates the nations of the event every day. It reminds us of the nations of the struggle for freedom. Every state and union territory celebrate it with much enjoyment. It is one of the greatest festival of democracy. This is for all. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir and teachers. My name is Vaishnavi Mahapatra from class 4D and I am going to sing a song, Mera Mulk Mera Desh. Mera Mulk Mera Desh, Mera Ye Vatan, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निशार है मेरा तन मेरा मन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन अपने इस चमन को स्वर्ग हम बनाएंगे कोना कोना अपना देश का सजाएंगे जश्न होगा जिंदगी का होंगे सब मगन
होंगे सब मगन, होंगे सब मगन, किसके वास्ते निशार है मेरा तन, मेरा मन। ए वतन, ए वतन, ए वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। ए वतन, ए वतन, ए वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। थैंक यू।
मेरी आबाद नहीं तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मेरे
everyone, my name is Praveen Manti from class 4. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. Independence Day celebrated on 15th of August. Since on this day in 1947 we got our country. During the British rule, our country struggled a lot over 200 years. Finally, a lot of hard work we got our country. Our country lost many brave souls. Some of the freedom fighters who fought for our country were Sarojini Naidu, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and countless other people who did not get the credit. People forget that if our country did not attain this freedom, we do not live a beautiful life. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all respected teachers, fathers and all my dear friends. First, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now, I will deliver a speech on Independence Day. India got independent on 15 August 1947 from British rule over 200 years. This is our 75th Independence Day. We host flag on this day and sing an anthem Jana Gana Mana. Independence means to sit, speak and do something in our motto. We salute our freedom fighters on this day. This is the India's biggest festival. We all Indians trust in unity of diversity. Thank you.
है दिल की आरज़ू कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, teacher and my dear friend. Happy Independence Day all of you. My name is Divyanandini Swai. I read in class 4D. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. We got freedom from the British in 1947. Many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose sacrificed their lives for freedom of our country. This year we celebrate 75 Independence Day. On this day, Prime Minister holds the national flag. We sing national anthem. It is the biggest national festival of India. We give respect to our freedom fighter on this day. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Jai Hind. जय भारत माता, जय हिंद।
Hi, my name is Mother SPG Independence Day. Respected principal, teachers, school staff, and all my friends. Today is 15 August. It is our Independence Day. On this day, we get our independence. Many foreigners rule our India for hundreds of years. The British ruled India for about 200 years. Many foreigners, many freedom fighters like M.K. Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh fight for their motherland. At last, the foreigners left India and we get our independence. With this, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूँगा न डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के। मंजिल से पहले न लूँगा कहीं दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाएं थम, नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। धूप में पसीना मैं बहाऊंगा जहाँ, हरे हरे खेत लहराएंगे वहाँ। धरती पे पाके ना पाएंगे जन्म, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, देने बाय हम नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
कामयाब हम होंगे, कामयाब हम होंगे, कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। थैंक यू।
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
कदमों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। ओ थोड़ी सी दूर मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बहारी सी मस्त भवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 जिनमें हो। वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा, थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हम नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज़ हम, चालसाज़ हम, इश्क़बाज़ दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली सात रंग। खाली पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर सामने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश सजीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, we got independence from British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others devoted their entire life to of the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born
are born in a independent country. Our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. It is our responsibility to sincerely progress our duty, to sincerely perform our duty and progress to growth and development of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.